In honor of Father's Day, Sean, I would like to dedicate this video to you. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you. It's been a great Father's Day.
You feel good?
I wish every day was Father's Day, actually.
Just get to relax by the pool.
Everyone's so nice to me.
Yeah, we love you. And by doing so, I just wanted to read the most important part of my book.
How does it feel to have fathered 4 children?
It was so hard, like the sleepless nights for like 2 years straight. Oh my gosh. Childbirth was painful, very painful. Natural childbirth, by the way. I didn't go with the drugs.
You're amazing.
It's hard when I donated my substance. That's hard work. The baby batter.
The baby batter. It's hard making that baby batter, huh?
Had to make that.
Yeah. This is what our Father's Day looks like. Got Bob Marley playing.
Chapter 12, My Marriage, My Muse. I'm just gonna skip through to the good part. Not only does our marriage teach me priceless life lessons, but also Sean himself teaches and inspires me every day. He's made me aware of my weaknesses and my strengths. He's taught me, by example, how to be more assertive and adapt leadership qualities, how to be confident and humble simultaneously, how to research, read instructions, and read reviews. I hate all of that. As I watch him roll around on the floor playing with our kids, I'm reminded of the importance of cherishing the present moment. I see his passion for the outdoors, and it prompts me to take a look around and relish in nature. Sean is the most selfless person I've ever met. He's always willing to drop everything to help me or the kids. There's not much he's not willing to do for us. Watching him clean the shower drain just does something for me. The way he dry heaves while removing the nasty hair buildup, I don't know what it is, but he's never looked hotter. He's mostly willing to listen to me ramble about my feelings for hours on end. Seriously, any man that has the patience to listen to a woman talk about her feelings is a saint in my eyes. He makes all the Costco runs, plans our vacations, handles our finances and insurance, pays the bills, and does the taxes. He's the one signing the kids up for sports, taking them to practices and games, and running around town finding them the equipment they need. He's always willing to help with the laundry and the dishes, wiping bums and wiping noses. He's good at making meals, making memories, and making love. That last part was actually the original part of my book, but my editor and publisher made me remove it because it's like supposed to be a family-friendly book, so I couldn't even say that. So that is just one little snippet of how amazing my husband is. He's seriously the most amazing dad. I couldn't have asked for a better father for our children. Sean, I love you, and happy Father's Day.
To the camera once again.
You're not filming, are you?
Whoa!
I didn't know you could throw.
I'm in Brooklyn. Do it.
I should. That was a bad throw. Should I push you? Oh, should I push?
They all went in.
We all gotta go.
Go, go, go.
All in power!
Kaylin, what do you love about Dad? I love him because he always be funny. How does he be funny? He always toots. He always toots? Says it's my, I did it, and I did it. And he always gives me treats and lets me go to the gas station and get a treat. What do you think Dad's favorite food is? And salad and lettuce. Salad and lettuce? Yeah. Chicken and crab. Crab? Yeah. Crab? Yeah. Crab. Yeah. Always stop. Okay. Wait. Say I love you, Dad. I love you, Dad. look straight in the camera and say, I love you, Dad. I love you, Dad. Okay, Brooklyn, what do you love about Dad? That he's always funny. Really? Mm. What else? Wait. What were we talking about? Like, what do you love about Dad? Oh yeah, that he always is funny, and he always takes me to get treats, and he always buys me toys. And no grill. How does he make you laugh? He toots. Oh, and be quiet. It's not your turn yet, okay? When he toots and he talks like another language. Shouldn't Mom just do this? No, I'll do it. What do you think Dad loves the most about his life? That he has a family. Who's the most grateful person in his family? Me. Dad, I love you because you're always spending so much money for this family, and you're always trying to include me in games. Always are taking us on vacations to Hawaii and California and all these places, and you always take us hunting, right, Owen? Yeah. I love you, Dad. You're awesome.
In 2005, you became a dad, and ever since then, I've watched you devote your life to our kids. You think of them always. You care for them, protect them, provide for them, and boy, do you play with them. Saying you are a hands-on dad would be an understatement. You are full-on engaged in every sense of the word. Our kids freaking love you. They can't get enough of you, and I love that you feel the same about them. It's the cutest thing in the world to watch. You excel in every way in your role as a father. Thank you for being the greatest gift in my life. Not only do I love how you love me, even more so, I love how you love our kids.